The Amazfit Balance feels like a high-end Swiss watch that went to the gym. The chassis is a blend of aluminum alloy and fiber-reinforced polymer, weighing in at a mere 35 grams without the strap. When you compare that to something like the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which can feel like a small anchor on your wrist during a run, the difference in fatigue is noticeable. Materials: 1.5-inch AMOLED, protected by anti-glare glass and a metallic bezel. Ergonomics: the dual-button setup includes a physical rotating crown. Unlike the haptic touch bezels on some competitors, this crown offers actual tactile feedback, which I found invaluable when my hands were sweaty during a high-intensity interval session. The fit: it's 10.6 millimeters thin. It slides under a dress shirt sleeve easily, which is rare for a watch with a 475 milliamp-hour battery. But here's the thing. While it looks premium, it lacks the sapphire crystal found on the more expensive Garmin Venue 3 or Apple Watch Ultra. In my testing, the anti-glare coating did a great job in the LA midday sun, but you'll want a screen protector if you're prone to banging your wrist against door frames.